3 iron-rich smoothies to improve your wellness naturally. Did you know that iron is one of the most essential nutrients for your body, yet many people are deficient in it? Are you feeling constantly tired, low on energy, or struggling to focus? It might be time to give your body an iron boost, and what better way than through delicious, easy-to-make smoothies? Before we dive into these nutrient-packed recipes, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Now, let's get started. Smoothies are an excellent way to pack a lot of nutrients into one convenient meal or snack. The best part? You can combine iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich ingredients to maximize absorption. Let's dive into our top recipes. Recipe number 1. The Iron-Boosting Green Machine Smoothie. Our first recipe is the Green Machine Smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach or kale, 1 ripe banana for creaminess, 1 orange peeled to add vitamin C and sweetness, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or water. Simply blend all the ingredients together until smooth. This powerhouse smoothie is loaded with non-heme iron from spinach, and the vitamin C from the orange helps your body absorb it better. It's refreshing, energizing, and perfect for a mid-morning pick-me-up. Next up, we have the Berry Blast Iron Smoothie. Here's what you'll need: half a cup of frozen or fresh blueberries, half a cup of raspberries or strawberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of fortified plant-based milk, such as oat or soy milk. Berries are a great source of antioxidants, and chia seeds contain iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. Blend these together for a smoothie that's both delicious and packed with nutrients to fuel your day. Recipe number 3, the Creamy Date Delight Smoothie. For those with a sweet tooth, try our Creamy Date Delight Smoothie. Combine the following: 2 pitted medjool dates, half an avocado for healthy fats and creaminess, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder for a chocolatey flavor, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond or cashew milk. Blend everything together for a dessert-like smoothie that's surprisingly rich in iron and magnesium. This one's a favorite for those afternoon cravings. Here are a few tips to make the most of your smoothies. First, pair iron-rich ingredients with vitamin C sources like citrus fruits, strawberries, or kiwi to enhance absorption. Second, avoid consuming calcium-rich foods, tea, or coffee alongside your smoothies, as they can inhibit iron absorption. And third, consider adding a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses or fortified cereals for an extra iron boost. With these tips, your smoothies will not only taste amazing, but also work harder to improve your wellness. Why is it important to get iron from natural sources? Getting iron from natural sources is often easier on your stomach and comes with the added benefits of fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients. Plus, smoothies help you hydrate and support digestion, making them a win-win solution. So there you have it, 3 iron-rich smoothies to boost your wellness naturally. Are you ready to take charge of your wellness? Try these iron-rich smoothies and feel the difference in your energy and focus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who could use a health boost. What's your favorite smoothie recipe? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, small changes like adding an iron-rich smoothie to your routine can have a big impact on your health. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.